Alright, what's that? I'm Dominoes 7 back again. Okay. You know what? Before I finish watching Price is Right on my TV, there's something I want to talk about. Okay. Alright, so anyway, this about James Holzhauer. Okay. Excuse me. It's about James Holzhauer that keep winning on Jeopardy. Okay. So anyway, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna talk about his winning from today. Okay, from today. All right. So as I was saying, folks, I want to tell y'all. I mean, James is outrageous on that part. Laying his cards on the table again, laying half of his cards on the table, laying more cards on the table, and sitting there on it on the last 4 or 5 clues or something like that, you know. So the way I think about it, folks, James is awesome, okay. And there's one thing you folks need to know, just in case some of y'all didn't know, or some of you that know already, something I didn't know, okay. He was on a GSN game show called The Chase, okay. Y'all remember that game show on GSN? Oh yeah, GSN. I watch GSN sometime, you know, but I was flicking through videos, flicking through channels and stuff like that, and then all of a sudden I found James on another game show, you know. What the hell? Oh my God, you know, he was also a genius on that game show, you know. And the thing is, I'm surprised he didn't appeared on 1 versus 100 with Bob Saget, you know, or Carrie Ann. I don't know her last name though, but she's on the talk now. Okay. I wish they bring back 1 versus 100 so we could see James, Buzzy, Ken, Brad. Well, Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter was already on 1 versus 100. You know, that was a blessing right there. You know, and they both was mob members. You know, probably at the same time. You know, all right. So, as I was saying, folks, I mean, James is a genius. You know what I'm saying? Okay, all right. Played way better than Austin Rogers. You know. I really wish Austin Rogers would have been on season 34 after the Tournament of Champions instead of before the Tournament of Champions, you know. And then James would have defeated him in regular games and stuff like that, and kept winning and winning and winning and winning, you know. So as far as that, I still say James should have faced off against Steve Gray, you know. Steve should have won instead of Alex, you know. Yep. So having back-to-back streakers, you know, just like Andrew Powell got defeated by Buzzy Cohen, I ain't gonna never stop talking about that. Long as I'm doing my shows, long as Jeopardy airing and stuff like that, I'm gonna continue on talking about that, you know. Just like back-to-back streaker, you know. Just like Mark Japinga almost became a streaker, you know. He was almost the last streaker of season 29, you know. But luckily, he appeared in a Jeopardy Tournament of Champions with Ben Ingram and the rest of them, you know. Okay, he faced off with Sandy Baker. Sandy Baker defeated him, you know. And I thought Ben Ingram and Mark Japinga was gonna face off in the finals, you know, and then Ben Ingram would have got his revenge on Mark Japinga, which he already did, you know. Yeah, Ben Ingram is smart. Yep, I like Ben, you know. He's still my favorite Jeopardy champion, you know. So he'll be back on Jeopardy one day after Alex Trebek retire, you know. Okay, and James, he'll be back, you know. So Brad Rutter, he'll be back, and Ken Jennings gonna be back, you know. So speaking of Ken Jennings, he gonna always be on game shows except The Price is Right. You know, he ain't gonna never be on Price is Right. Well, except Price is Right and Wheel of Fortune. You know, I doubt it if Ken Jennings would ever be on Wheel of Fortune. You know what? If he ever do appear on Price is Right, you could comment on this video and say ha 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 ha. Well, never mind. All right. Well, y'all can say ha 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 right now as I speak. Y'all can say ha 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 ha. I bet James gonna comment and saying ha 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 ha. You know. Yes, indeed. Oh my God. So anyway, if I sound silly, comment and say ha ha ha. Okay, never mind. Well, anyway, James, you're doing a good job. So anyway, I'm just singing a song. I'm a goofy goober, yeah. You a goofy goober, yeah. We all goofy goobers, yeah. I'm a stupid goober, yeah. Stupid goober, yeah. Okay, I'm embarrassing myself, you know. Well, what's the matter with me, y'all? Trying to be a comedian. I ain't all that funny, like, what the heck I'm saying? All right? I bet Buzzy Cohen is watching this video laughing at me right now, you know. He spoke to me on Facebook one day, you know. After he lost and stuff like that, he wasn't going to spoil and say, I lost to this, to Aaron Delaney, you know. Thank God he didn't tell me that before the episode aired, you know. I'm surprised, I am very surprised that Buzzy Cohen didn't mention my name on air, you know, to Alex Trebek, you know what I'm saying? So, Alex Trebek don't even know I exist. Even Bob Barker don't know I exist. Patsy Jack don't even know I exist. Even Wayne Brady and Drew Carey don't know I exist, you know? Alright. So that's all Domino 7 got to say, okay? Alright, so James, keep up the good work. Keep laying your cards on the table. Bet big and say, I'm the winner! Oh yes, I'm the winner! Well, you know what? I want to tell y'all something. Before I go, I want to tell y'all what he did to Alex, whatever his last name is, the guy, the Jeopardy champion he defeated. He punched him right in the stomach and said, oh, you can't beat me. You think you can beat me? You can't beat me. And he spit on him. Psych. Let me tell y'all something though. Next week, not this week, next week or week, well actually week after next. A week after next is gonna be James' last week. It's gonna be on a Friday. Not the next Friday that's coming up. That following Friday, okay? That following Friday, he ain't gonna be being regular games no more. And then that person that's gonna defeat him gonna always, I'm gonna say, gonna already win 5 or 6 games, you know, and that person gonna be a streaker, and then James gonna get his rematch in the Tournament of Champions, you know. I'm telling y'all right now, James is gonna win the Tournament of Champions. I'm telling y'all right now, James will win the Tournament of Champions. You know what I'm saying? I guarantee y'all that. Okay, all right. If I'm wrong, y'all can say, you dirty jackass. James didn't win a Tournament of Champions, you jackass. Domino 7, you jackass. Make sure y'all comment on this video below, okay? Please do that. If you don't win the Tournament of Champions, comment on this video and say, Domino, you great big jackass, you good big jackass. I want y'all to comment on this video and say, Domino, you big jackass. Make sure y'all comment on this video and say, Domino, you big jackass, okay? Alright. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Alright, bye.